That's a wild one.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Six Cars. We're in Akihabara today. We are actually going to an anime themed car meet. I showed you guys that before. The Itasha wrap is what they call them. Basically slap the cars full of anime stickers, make them look sweet. I've got this fish shaped like waffle thing called a taiyaki that's full of red bean. It's actually really good, but yeah, let's go see some Itasha cars.
Alright guys, underground Itasha car meet in Akihabara. Look at the Hatsune Miku vans, oh my goodness. Crazy. So tons and tons of Hatsune Miku stuff all over the vans. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. This is peak Japan right here. So yeah, just a reminder again of the Itasha theme in Japan. I did speak about that Arc 7 we saw at Daikaku in a previous video, but slap the car full of anime stickers, deck it out. That's what we got going on down here in the underground parking garage. This Daihatsu Copen. Oh my. That is sick. Toyota Crown. This one's pretty hilarious, like rice shower. Oh man. Hold on a second. Rice shower and Mihono bourbon. Friends and rivals. Well, there you go. It's another Hatsune Miku van. This one's done up like the Good Smile Racing team, Super GT team that always runs Hatsune Miku liveries. Yeah, so they've got the Autobox Racing sticker on it. These things are awesome. Like, we've done a lot of supercar stuff so far in Japan, but not really much JDM, or not as much as I would have liked to. Like, check out this Fiat 124 Barth. Also got Itasha stickers on it, like most of the cars down here. Yeah, anything goes in Japan. And this Toyota Mark 10. Damn, that's nice. 5-spoke work wheels. This anime livery actually suits it really well, I think. Nice. Got the slammed cars over there. Let's go have a look. Man. Toyota's Mark 10, the Crown. Actually, look at the camber on the blue one. That's pretty serious. Okay, actually this Fiat 124 Barth is probably the most covered one I've seen so far. This is a full-on wrap, so not just slapping the one sticker on to the side of the car, but the whole wrap is done in the Itasha livery. Cool. And the GR Yaris. Done up pretty damn well. Little S2000 dump in the corner too. This one's a little different. It's got more of the graffiti style to it. Kind of like a Jet Set Radio Future. Old Xbox game. Yeah, a little different style from the rest of the Itasha cars. And check out the purple S14. Not Itasha, like the rest of the cars here. But that's clean. Look at the wheels. Those multi-spokes got like it looks almost like a Ninja Star or a Beyblade, if anybody remembers those things from back in the day for center caps. That thing's serious. Classic here, the Nissan Laurel. Looks really, really good. I dig it when they put the 4-spoke wheels on these classic JDM cars too. And that green is really, really period correct. That's really sick. Got the Honda Accord Euro R over there as well. And check it out. Look at the Suzuki Alto. This one is decked out. This is like full-blown Itasha. Like, actually look at the roof. Hopefully I don't get demonetized for that. But I mean, this guy's rocking on his car and driving around town with it, so whatever. I mean, this is crazy. There, check it out. Tucked away in the corner, we even got a supercar representing the gold Aventador S. A bit of a livery on it. It's got the tricolore stripe. So it's something. Kind of fits in with the theme here. We have a little bit on this gold Aventador. Signed by Valentino Balboni, the legendary Lamborghini test driver. The league's got the custom Balboni exhaust on it. That's why. That's interesting. Just signs the intake of the car. Cool. Just no end of them. Alright, check out the 4-door R34. The stance is crazy. It's super low. I mean, couldn't fit a piece of paper under there. And obviously the Itasha wrap. Looking really, really good. Again, I'm not sure about the rules on covering the rear windshield. I guess there's none, because I don't know how you would see out of that. But check it out. That's a wild one. The Falcon Tire Suzuki Swift Sport. So it's ready for the 24 hours of Nürburgring. No Itasha, just a racing livery. Another Skyline, another R34. That one's sick, really done up. Quite the livery on it. White Ricardos too. That's really, really nice actually. Aside from the obvious, the Itasha, that's what we're here for. 6-spoke works though. That's a really, really nice build. Such a clean R32, my goodness. No Itasha on this one. Just damn good looking. Timeless design, never gets old. It's a reason why it's the favorite of 6 cars, guys. Look at that, it's so nice. Alright, post Itasha car meet. Obviously we gotta do some model car shopping. It's Akihabara, so the selection's crazy. All the old Super GT cars. Yeah, it's a pretty big store. So much selection. 250 GTO, jeez. We got a lot. It's just bins and bins full of 164s. This is insane. Hey, look, there's like different bins for different manufacturers. There's so much. Oh my goodness. You'd be staying here for a long time if you wanted to. Yeah, it's crazy selection. 787. F1 GTR. Pretty cool. Alright, pretty good score. R34 GT500 car. Not bad. There's no way I'm finding this back in North America unless it's for a stupid price. So, take it when you can get it. Let's go.